Update po sa ating fund drive for the Brave 14 plus 3 Marines. Sa ngayon, may naipon na tayo na 73,000 pesos sa ating GCash. And hopefully bukas, makakaabot na ito ng 100,000 at papadala na ulit natin sa kanila. As of now, ang total tulong na naipadala na sa Brave 14 plus 3 is 736,000 pesos. So, ang gustong tumulong, magpadala sa kanila, ito po ang ating GCash. 0966-265-8480. Ivan Henry Sibog ang pangalan. Kung nasa ibang bansa kayo magpadala, kailangan nyo ng city address, Cagayan de Oro City. Ang street is Barangay Patag. Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon na opinion itong post ni Sas Rugando Sasot. Tanong niya dito is, why are American soldiers taking the role of inspecting companies in the Philippines? And then, tinag niya Department of Foreign Affairs, Republic of the Philippines. Isinare ni Sas Rugando Sasot itong police blotter ng Taguluan Municipal Police Station. August 19 ang date. So ano ngayon? 21. So 2 days ago. Subject, extract from the police blotter to whom it may concern. Blotter entry, so may number, date, yan, 19/11/05 August 2028. Nature of incident offense, attempted entry into company premises. At about 11:05 a.m. as of this date, Jeremy Espartero, 43 years old, married, and a security guard of Sanjaya Company located at Zone 1 na Bulod, Baluarte, Taguluan, Misamis Oriental, personally came to this office and requested to place on record an incident that occurred while he was performing his duty at the said company premises. According to the complainant, at about 10:12 a.m. This date, several American soldiers, together with personnel of PBDEC, Philippine Veterans Development Corporation, yan ang meaning ng PBDEC, allegedly attempted to enter the premises of Sanjaya Company, stating that they intended to conduct an inspection of the site. The complainant stated that their presence and intended inspection caused concern among the company personnel. Further, the complainant stated that Philippine Army personnel who were on duty inside the said company premises refused, ay salamat na lang sa Philippine Army, Philippine Army personnel who were on duty inside the company premises refused to allow them to enter, allegedly because they failed to present any permit or authorization to conduct the intended inspection. The complainant requested that the foregoing incident be placed on record for documentation and future reference. Recorded by Police Staff Sergeant Cuyugan. This extract from the police blotter of this police station is being issued upon request for whatever legal intent and purposes that it may serve, extracted by Police Staff Sergeant Cuyugan, Duty Desk Officer. Okay, so yan po. So, totoo kaya ito na blatter? Baka naman di natin sure kung kaya sana mag-issue ng statement ang PBDEC at siguro na rin ang PNP Regional Office, Region 10 or Provincial Office para masagot. Kasi kung totoo ito, nakaka, wala na ba tayong soberenya? At sinerch ko na, ano itong Sanjaya Company na nasa Misamis Oriental? Sino ang may-ari? Ang nakalagay dito is, the Philippine Sanjaya Steel Corporation in Taguluan, Misamis Oriental is a steel manufacturing and smelting plant located inside Fibidec Industrial Estate. Government investigations and congressional proofs identify the owner and key figure behind the company as Tony Yang, who is the brother of former Presidential Economic Advisor Michael Yang. So, I don't know kung ito ba yung ni-raid na company na kung saan may nahuling ang mga Chinese nationals. So, ngayon, mabuti at mayroong Philippine Army personnel na naka-detail. So, okay lang yung ni-raid ito ng NBI, ni-raid ata ng PAOK, Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission. Okay lang yun, dahil Philippine authorities yun eh. Ang nakakapagtaka, bakit? Anong pakialam ng mga American soldiers? Dapat sagutin ito ng Department of Foreign Affairs. Wala na ba tayong kalayaan? Akala ba ng mga Amerikano, colony pa rin nila tayo? Nakaka-alarma na ito. Bakit pinapayagan? PBDEC, pwede bang sagutin ninyo ito? Philippine veterans, o ako, I am a veteran. Is that how you let foreigners? Again, kung NBI, PNP, basta Philippine authorities, sige, inspikin. Ang nakakabwisit, itong American. Bakit? Mabuti na lang, ulitin ko, very proud ako kasi Philippine Army ako eh. Matigas. Kung sino man yung nakaduting Philippine Army doon, dapat ganun lahat. Para once in a while, i-assert natin ang ating soberenya. Get out from this country, American soldiers. We do not need you. Bakit kayo nakikialam? So sana masagot ang issue na ito ng PBDEC at Department of Foreign Affairs kung totoo. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Karon mo na yung matabangan si ate og yero. So maghatag mi ni ate og yero.
Salamat kayo sa sin.
So muna si ate ang among katagaan og yero. So muna ang balay ni ate, iyang ayuhan. So si ate mo ni ang ilang kahimtang dari sa sulod. So gitagaan mo sila gyero aron makaatop sila. So loy kayong kahimtang nila ate oh. Kay gabok na kayo ang sin. So gipang sapaw na lang. So loy gud kay silang ate oh. Sa ilang kahimtang. Karon ate natagaan man ka gyero, makaatop na ka unsay imong masulti.
Salamat sa gihatag ngayon. Nakaatop na din. Ikaw sa Ginoo sa
So na kay anak te.
na
Pila ka buki mong anak te? So pila na ni katuig day ang inyong balay te?
14 years na.
So 14 years na. So na kay mga anak te?
Na
So pila ka buki mong anak?
apa
Asa day mong bana te?
nagtrabaho.
So nagtrabaho unsa inyong panginabuhian te?
Oo man.
Aso si ate mag-uuma lang ang ilang trabaho basta dili sila ka-afford sa yero, so luoy na kayo sila kay kung muulan so tuluan gid kay sila, so mo nilang kahimtang so makita nimo nga luoy gid kay silang ate. So ate, daghang kay salamat nga natagaan pod ka giyero nga makatob na gid ka.
Salamat.
Sige ate, God bless.